Peopleware welcomes you to the introduction of Python learning course. In this video, we will learn about what is Python, history of Python, why Python, Python features, Python application and its uses, and good to know. Let's start with what is Python. Python is an easy to learn, powerful programming language. It has efficient high-level data structures and a simple but effective approach to object-oriented programming. Python's elegant syntax and dynamic typing, together with its interpreted nature, make it an ideal language for scripting and rapid application development in many areas on most platforms. History of Python. Python was invented by Guido van Rossum in 1991 at Zwolle in Netherlands. The idea of Python programming language has taken from the ABC programming language, or we can say that ABC is a predecessor of Python language. There is also a fact behind the choosing name Python. Guido van Rossum was a fan of the popular BBC comedy show of that time, Monty Python's Flying Circus. So he decided to pick the name Python for his newly created programming language. Why Python? Python works on different platforms: Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. Python has syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages. Python runs on an interpreter system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means that prototyping can be very quick. Python can be treated in a procedural way, an object-oriented way, or a functional way. Python features. Python provides many useful features to the programmer. These features make it the most popular and widely used language. We have listed below a few essential features of Python. Easy to use and learn, expressive language, interpreted language, object-oriented language, open source language, extensible, learn standard library, GUI programming support, integrated, embeddable, dynamic memory allocation, wide range of libraries and frameworks. Python application and its uses. Python is a general-purpose, popular programming language and it is used in almost every technical field. The various areas of Python use are given below: data science, data mining, desktop applications, console-based applications, mobile applications, software development, artificial intelligence, web applications, enterprise applications, 3D CAD applications, machine learning, computer vision or image processing applications, speech recognition. Good to know. The most recent major version of Python is Python 3, which we shall be using in this tutorial. However, Python 2, although not being updated with anything other than security updates, is still quite popular. In this tutorial, Python will be written in a text editor. It is possible to write Python in an integrated development environment such as Thorny, PyCharm, NetBeans, or Eclipse, which are particularly useful when managing larger collections of Python files. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel and do like and share if you learned something new. See you in the next video. Happy learning!